Hello, my dear friends. Once again, the team of A.S.S Science Foundation is here in order to share a very inspiring story of one of our students, Sonali. So, Sonali has done her B.SC in Life Sciences from Daulat Ram College, Delhi University, and she pursued her Masters in Environmental Sciences from Guru Jambheshwar University, Hisar. Then she was preparing with us in the offline and online program as well for the UGC NET-JRF and all other PhD entrances as well as interview. In that series, she qualified her UGC NET LS in September 2024, and then subsequently she was giving the entrances as well as interview of various prestigious institutes such as ISC, IIT, ISER, CSIR labs, and universities. In that series, she qualified the entrance as well as interview and got selected for final PhD program at DTU, which is called as Delhi Technical University, formerly known as Delhi College of Engineering, under the Department of Environmental Engineering she got. In such a remarkable feat, the entire team of A.S.S Science Foundation would like to congratulate Sonali and wish her good luck for the PhD journey. At present, the institute is offering various programs in offline, online, and correspondence with video mode, namely UGC NET JRF June 2025 in online, offline, correspondence with video, and only correspondence mode. The institute is also offering GATE 2026 in Ecology, Evolution, and Environmental Science and Engineering. The institute is also providing the comprehensive program for Haryana Higher Education Exam in Environmental Science as well as Jammu Kashmir Higher Education Exam in Environmental Sciences. The institute also provide the guidance for CUET PG and UG Life Sciences and Environmental Sciences also, along with various domains of life science such as biotech, biochemistry, biomedical science, etc. Institute also provide the interview guidance for UG, PG, and PhD programs. So those who are willing to qualify their exam in very first attempt should reach us as early as possible. The first batch will start from 26th of January in the live online mode and offline mode. So those who are willing to join us can reach us. Once again, we would like to congratulate Sonali for such a remarkable feat and wish her good luck for the future PhD journey. Thank you.